Alright, Scooby. You left these in my room for at least a day now,
Oh yeah.
and you've really wanted to open them, so tell me what you got.
Okay, so we'll go in order of ascending excitement. We've got this one from Kari Throssell. I don't know. We'll see what we got here. So this is oh wow. Okay, they packaged these nicely. I am very happy about that. And ooh, these look almost rateable. Could you help me slide them out of these top loaders?
Of course.
Great. Okay, cool. So these are actually beautiful vending machine Vulpixes. So this art, I just love it. I never really looked too much into the vending machine series because it was just a Japanese exclusive set. I didn't collect a lot of Japanese, but I just adore this Vulpix art. I'm like super in love with it. And this one is, it's okay. It's like a little LP. So not like incredible. This one is actually, so it's got 3 of those from there. Cool. Yeah. Alright, those were super cute, right? But time for the next one. We have actually something from Japan, and actually I'm just showing you this part for the stamps. These are pretty sweet.
Those are really nice.
Yeah, I always like seeing the foreign stamps on there, so we'll try not to rip those and then throw them away later. And there we go. So we've got a good amount of tape on here. Hopefully it's not too much on this like cardboard. Okay, this is
That's really well packaged.
quite the obstacle course.
You have to appreciate how careful they were about this. Oh yeah.
So these are a couple Shibuya Pikachu promos, and these are really sweet. These came out really recently last year, and I actually didn't get a chance to pick up any when I was in Japan, but these are really clean, and I'll let you guys look at them too. I actually might grade these. In case you weren't aware, and a lot of other high-end collectors will tell you this as well, PSA does not downgrade for foil curling. And foil curling isn't even damaged. A lot of people will mark stuff as LP, or people will tell them it's LP or more played because of curling, but this is paper. You can put this under or inside books and just lay it flat and leave it for a week or two, and it will be perfectly near mint again. And that's great if you were considering grading something but maybe holding off because it was graded.
Those are really clean.
So,
can you hold both of those Shibuya Pikachu up?
Yeah, one more time really quick. I'm not even going to touch them together because I am really considering grading at least one of these. And so those are really sweet. And I do have one more package I'm really excited for. This time I am really excited because I am going to be able to complete a set that I have been working on for a while now. And I actually have multiple of the others in this set, but unfortunately this one has been eluding me for so long. It has just been so rare. I even bought one, and that one came in poor condition, which you'll be surprised about in a second. And that is, oh wow, that's even almost looks like a gray stamp. My very first actually clean first edition base set Bulbasaur, PSA 10. So that I am super stoked about. And as you can see, I am now very excited to have finally completed my set of 3. This guy almost never goes up for auction or anything. I got super lucky and snagged one off of Facebook. Definitely check there if you're looking for anything rare. You know, what can I say? I've had these guys and a few of them for just years now, and finally I was able to complete my set. Very excited. Alright, so just as a quick recap, we got some Japanese exclusive vending machine Vulpixes, couple Shibuya Pikachus, and finally this piece that caps off my collection of these, the Bulbasaur right here.
Hey, if you like this video, why not check out our most recent one over here? And if you want to see more like this one, why not check out the next one in this series over there? And if you'd like to show a little bit of support for us, why not follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even on here. Go ahead and subscribe. It'll show some love. I'm still here.